Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afiq Syahmi bin Muhammad Saleh, a passionate educator based in Bukit Gasing School Primary. I already teach for 12 years old. My school, Escape Bukit Gasing, also known of Digital Hub School in Marang. As a digital school, we actively integrate digital tools as essential resources in our teaching and learning process. Teaching has always been more than a job to me. And today's digital age, I believe that empowering students with the right tool is just as important as the lesson we teach. That's why I'm working towards becoming a Google certified trainer. I'm learning using Google application in the classroom like Google Docs, Slides, Form, and Google Classroom to make learning more interactive, collaborative, and engaging. I've seen firsthand how these tools can transform the way students learn and express themselves. My goal is simple: to inspire, train, and empower not just students but fellow educators to make the most of technology in education. Assalamualaikum and hello everybody. Today I would like to show you about powerful tools for teachers. Is it a Google Classroom? Okay, today we must log in for Google Classroom and then create the class for teachers and give a name. What you want to give a name for your class, then click create. Okay, for this section the class code you can give to the student to join the class. All right, what I want to show is to classwork you can create the assignment. Okay, first of all you just write down the title for English. All right, and then you can use the instruction, attach the drive, YouTube, and okay, today I would like to create a doc. Okay, doc, slide sheet, drawing forms, and videos. Okay, today I would like to show you about how to create docs. All right, docs is also one tools you can use. Like you can give a question. What is your name? If you done, just go back to the your Google Classroom and then choose make a copy for each student so they can answer individually. After you done of this, you can assign and the assignment to your student. Okay, thank you.